Hello, dear friends. This is Phone Support Channel. Before you start watching this video, please subscribe to the channel and give it a like. Thank you. In this video, I want to show and tell you how to share your geolocation in WhatsApp. Then you open a chat with anyone and click on the plus sign here. And this is where you see the icon, Location. We click here. Now we're going to be asked to confirm that the app will use your geodata. Click Allow once, or select the item we want. Now our lecture is shown. We wait a couple of seconds for the map to show a more accurate result. We wait until the accuracy is the highest. After we have waited, we click here and our friend is sent our location to chat. We see an icon like this. That's the easy way. If we want our friend to see our movements on the map, we again click plus and open. Location. And click Share Live Location, and click OK. Now open the settings and enable functions so that they can see us. Turn on, always. Go back in the application and choose a period in which to show our position on the map. There is a small selection here. We choose and send to our friend. Now, as long as the time goes by, we will be seen. To stop showing our position, press Stop Sharing. This function is now turned off. Done. Nothing complicated. If you liked this video, put likes and subscribe to the channel. Bye.